shoot, I let it rock just like it's B&B. Get the drop, we cooking pots up in the B&B. Try keep 2Ks on the lock just like a 3 and D. So bro, let's go clear a block, I got some TNT. See a op get hit with chops, he needs some EMT. Cowboy, how I move, these niggas envy me.
YouTube, what is up? It's OG back with another video. First off, I want to say, I know it's been, what, I think like 2 weeks since I posted a video. But, you know, family came in town, spending time with some family, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make memories with what little time you have, because, you know, tomorrow's never promised. But, nevertheless, I'm here, back, ready to record, you know, drop some bangers for y'all. But before we get into today's video, I just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing. We have hit, I want to say it's like 100 or 105 subscribers. So every one of y'all that subscribes, it definitely very appreciative. I gotta just do it right in my butt, but like I was saying, I wanna say thank you to everyone that has been subscribing and showing support to the videos, to the channel. You don't know how much that means to me. Huge thank you. I can't stress that enough. You know, the next target goal is to hit 500 subs. The more y'all sub, the more y'all like, the more y'all comment, the more we can get our the videos out there to more people. But overall, just thank you. But all right, so as you can see by the title of today's video, we finna slide to this little car meet slash cruise out here. I want to say it's Tukwila. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I'm not from the Washington area, so if I pronounced it wrong, you know, let me know down in the comments below. But I want to say the meetup is at like 10 p.m. I stay about 45 minutes away from that area, so I'm leaving the house a little bit early just so I can make it on time to the meet, so I don't miss the cruise. But I want to say the cruise is from Tukwila up to somewhere in Bellevue, Washington. Probably gonna take a couple photos. I'm gonna definitely record, you know, the cars that'll be out there. Try to get as much footage as I can. But other than that, I will catch you guys once we get there. So I couldn't get much footage because the cops pulled up, but I'm assuming we're going to the second meet or the second spot. So hopefully we can get some rollers and whatnot. So we're gonna see. Here we go.
Been run up all his money, I'm full on D&D. it, I let it rock just like it's B&B. Get the drop, we cooking pots up in the B&B. Try keep 2Ks on the lock just like a 3 and D. So bro, let's go clear a block, I got some TNT. See a op get hit with chops, he needs some EMT. Cowboy, how I move, these niggas envy me. So that bitch I'm tryna fuck, ain't no befriending me. Bitch got paid a fee, she want me to be her man. Get rich, cop a foreign whip, I'm sticking to the plan. We got ball straight out the zip, I need a couple Zans. I'm too high up off the drugs, don't know when I'ma land. Niggas ain't real, I know they ratting when they hit the stand. Say what money, but you broke, I just don't understand. ACB just hit the telly for a couple strands. Real life, I know I'm him, I got a couple fans. I told bro, get in that car, we got a couple vans. Big case, so keep it P, that's how I paved the way. Big case, so Superman, this nigga done saved the day. Try go get it done, we gotta run the play. Call the plug and he OT, we met him in the bay. Don't you date because we fucked, you gotta call me bae. I'm young and I'm still ballin', you could call me Trey. I be ballin' for my green, you might as well call me Dre. Talking on the net, you see me, don't know what to say. Everywhere I go, I'm the trending topic. Say you real, but you a hoe, my nigga need to stop it. Got the keys up in the streets, I'm feeling like a lobster. I know what ball's written. Get up in that cat, I'm all up in her kitten. Catch a op, I kill him when that boy go riddance. Catch a op, I kill him when that boy go riddance. See you later. Getting money, getting paid. Smoking sauce, I got some flavors. Dripping sauce, I got the flavor. Fresh is on just like a Taylor. Dripping water like a sailor. Ball on just like a bailiff. If it's not my money, see you later. I'm rapping on the beat, I'm trying to feel like these. I'm rapping on the beat, but you can call me cheese. Got a bitch, she on my dick, so she on her knees. I'm cold as hell, I'm feeling fresh, just like I'm Mr. Freeze. This rapping shit is way too easy, I do this shit with ease. I be feeling like Chris Breezy when I'm on the beat. Showing shit, I got the flame, I'm ballin' like the heat. Niggas out here, they be ratting, can't keep shit discreet. And this bitch, she actin' neaky, she got this bitch, she actin' neaky, she playin' with her feet. Kick out, I told that bitch to be. She a trick, I told that bitch to treat. I'm just saying shit. You think I'm tricking, told that bitch to treat.
How you do it? I ain't gonna lie, you Washington boys, y'all gotta learn how to drive, bro. No funny. I'm over here cutting it up. We cutting it up. It's litty. It's litty. Y'all can't lie, bro. I was cutting up, man. This car is a most slept on car, no cap. Them boys think I ain't gonna run it. We gonna run it. We gonna run it, you feel me? We like 2 minutes away from the spot. So it's gonna be a lot of GoPro footage. It's gonna be a lot of iPhone 15 footage. So we're just gonna make the best of what we can. Still kind of shy bringing the camera out and trying to record in front of people, but the more I do it, the more, you know, I'll get used to it and I'll start doing actual content. It's not like I'm saying I'm not doing actual content, but y'all get the point, bro. I ain't even gonna really sit here and go crazy. So, and I just saw the boys, so somebody getting pulled over. I don't know who getting pulled over, but somebody getting pulled over.
What up, YouTube?
What's up?
W night.
Hey, that's what's up. The boys is outside, support. Hey. Nah, he's funny. It's a vibe, bro. It's a vibe. I just seen the boys. course right here. All the footage, big. All the footage. Alright guys, so the cops came, they shut it down. Hopefully I got enough footage for you guys, but this is like my first like big meet like this out here in Washington. It was pretty good, but I wish we could have stayed longer, but you know, when the boys come, you gotta go, and I wasn't about to stay too long to figure out what he was trying to do. So with that being said, subscribe to the channel if you're new. For all my returning viewers, go ahead and hit that like button and turn on your post notification bell so that way you'll never miss another banger. With that being said, your boy OG signing out, gang.